Good morning, everybody. With this lesson, we finished all the technical operations taking care of the publication of our project. This situation is this. Our site is ready, has been correctly set, and as we can see from its sitemap at this moment has only 2 pages, the home and the template page we have prepared. At the same time, we've finished writing and generating the project inside the wizard, and we saved it on our desktop, the XML file that contains the project. The first thing to do is create a link in the footer that allows the accessibility to the pages, just as we saw in localaromas.com, and this will serve us to fulfill the rules of usability imposed by the spiders. There are many different ways to create a link in the footer, for example, with written the company brand. The important thing is that we insert the address link as visual-sitemap.html. After importing, you can also change the link from the backend. If you wish, you can leave it like that. In any case, the wizard tool calls this page by default visual-sitemap.html. So, in the first instance, insert this link. The second thing to do, of course, is to get inside the backend of WordPress. Let's do it together and go on to our pages to delete the template page that we will no longer need. Now let's move on to the importer that we activated earlier and which we find on the tool menu and open the importer. We select the XML file that we have saved and proceed with the import by also going to associate the relative admin SEO that we have specially created to do this operation. As you can see, everything is extremely simple and above all very fast, because at this precise moment you have just written and published 50 pages. In fact, if we move back to the pages, here is what we find. The 50 pages are all present. They are all perfect written and ordered, and also for convenience of viewing, we have numbered automatically starting from their index page, which is precisely number 00. When we return to our sitemap, we update the page and the effect we get is this. Full page sitemap that is also fully functional. This is the modern SEO, respecting the rules from writing to publication with the use of systems that can interact with the modern CMS, primarily among all WordPress, and all in a very short time. Now that everything is perfect, we just have to submit the new sitemap to the engine, which is also the subject of the next lesson. Thank you for lending me your ears. Arrivederci.